ready.
I'm blessed.
Yeah. So we're back with some Phet Phet sauce. This time it's the gel som.
I am so dying. I've been dying to try this.
I'm like drooling right now.
Yeah. And so we already pre-pour it, but we missed a spot in this lovely squid.
So we got some squid, some blood clams, cucumbers for that crunch, daikon, some kapun, which is vermicelli noodles, vermicelli rice noodles, pork rinds, salmon, ono, tuna, surf clam. That's about it.
Yeah.
Okay, ready to eat?
Let's dig in. Well, I told your sister not to make it spicy because, you know, my palate is very sensitive.
I don't know, there's a lot of pepper on it.
No, I'm digging for the... Alright.
It's bomb with the salmon, huh?
Yeah. Let me try with the squid. Let me just my hand.
Go ahead.
So much easier.
It is spicy though. It's not spicy to you?
It's getting there, but I'm committing.
Okay. I need some kapun up in this bish.
You twirl it.
Dude, this was like the best idea ever.
It's free food for me, so. So what kind of clam is this?
It's blood clam. Do you like blood clam?
Like what?
Dip it
What?
in here more.
Like what do you eat?
It's what was in season, okay?
What is this? And you open it, it's like hopes and dreams.
It's fun size, like me, like you. You like it?
I don't really care for it. Definitely with this, what, surf clam?
Surf clam. Surf clam's so good with it.
Oh, spicy though. I'm starting to sweat.
I like your hat.
Thank you.
Where'd you get it?
It's COVID, so I haven't done my hair, so I kind of like cover it.
Oh my god.
But I'm sweating.
I've been struggling like this quarantine. I didn't give a fuck.
Yeah.
I just dyed the shit out of my hair.
Clearly. But
I'm still cute.
You are, but seriously guys, like you have to try it with this noodles and wrap it like this. And for, you know, I'm trying to be daring when I add some more.
You crazy. Like I eat spicy and I feel like this is on the spicy side for me.
What about squid?
The squid is bomb.
What? Can you imagine me going home like this sweating? My mom probably would think like the gym is open again.
She's gonna be like, I sick.
Bitch don't know.
She's gonna be like, I sick. You go sauna? You go sauna?
Cute.
Oh my god, I gained so much weight during quarantine. It's like I have some body dysmorphia. I had never been this big before. Like I'm still cute and pretty, but
Yeah.
it's still, I don't know. I can't get used to it.
Now, if you see my previous video, I've always been thick, and I embrace it. Cause you know, shit like this is too good to pass out.
Are you gonna be okay? You're like sweating so much.
This is daikon? Bitch, I thought it's noodles.
I put it right next to the noodles.
What a scam artist. Oh my god. I'm fucking sweating.
The clams are so small.
For color? Beautiful. Look at this.
I need a spoon.
What's that? Drip, drip. My Jesus Lord.
Have you had Ono? There's Ono and
Oh
tuna.
no.
Oh no.
It's hiding? There's Ono in there?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. This bowl is like the bowl that keeps on giving.
Ono's my
Mm.
favorite. It's so
Okay.
fatty and melts on your
If you guys
mouth.
haven't bought it yet, fucking try it. It's like putting a new flavor, like this, like Japanese sashimi slash, what's this, Thai? Wow. It's
Lao.
a gel, right?
Lao and Thai, they both do it.
Oh my god. I'm like burning. Ugh. Oh my goodness.
Do you think we're gonna finish this?
Okay, yeah. I'm so lucky to have a sister that can cook like this. My sister is freaking useless.
I'm not useless. I bought these items so we can eat it.
I didn't see you eating these useless things.
I did! I'm coming around.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You keep freaking slurping my hair up.
Another secret in this bowl, if you uncover this, there's tuna.
It's hiding.
Damn. This is stimulus check. Right here.
My stimulus check is gone.
Bitch be eating too good.
I got my sashimi. I got my sashimi from Sake 559. Wait, Sake Japanese Cuisine.
Where is it
work
at?
there.
What street is it?
It's on Ashland and Blythe. Like on 99.
Drop by, guys.
And their fish is always
This
fresh.
shit is fresh.
Mm. So even if you haven't had it yet, go stop by a sushi restaurant, get some sashimi, get some Phet Phet sauce, pour that shit
This
on.
is how you propose and get rejected. What the fuck is this? Look at this. What is this?
It's fun size, I told you. It's pretty small. Some hitani.
This reminds me of my relationship. Nothing but disappointments.
It's so morbid. So sad.
I'm accepting application, but you gotta know how to put this together.
Is there like a Google form they can fill out, or
No, I'm not
just slide
asking
into
for
your
much.
DM?
No, it's just the requirement is I'm not asking for the perfect credit score. All I ask is 750. You know, you gotta get something.
Is that it? Anything else? Or?
Where is the pork rinds? Are we out of pork rinds?
Mhm.
Hey guys. Bam. Some more. I'm gonna take advantage of this.
I'm gonna pour too much. I'm about to pour
I
out.
don't care.
The one with the salmon. I'm struggling.
She said I pour too much. Oh my god. Lord, praise my bathroom tomorrow.
Are you gonna be okay? Were you okay after the other Phet Phet video that we did? The other mukbang video?
Honestly, I'm sending your sister my therapist bill. I'm still having PTSD. Oh my god.
And yet here you are.
But you know, I gotta support my friend. As Don't forget to be healthy.
Let me check if this fish still recording. It is. I'm running low on memory. That's a daikon. Should I get more kapun?
Oh, this is amazing. Honestly, like the fish, the sashimi are very fresh.
Mm-hmm.
Saki 559, y'all. Oh my goodness. A bowl like this would cost. Yeah,
I
like
don't know. Well,
probably expensive, huh?
what did my bill come out for the seafood I got?
Like you have to put out your life savings.
No. I think I spent $40 for the additional seafood, and the sashimi was only like $20. It
That's
was
not
like
bad.
24 pieces.
And this is really how they cut it.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, look how thick that is. Just like me. They're not stingy.
Slim thick like us.
Mm.
It's spicy.
Man, that salmon is bomb.
Mm-hmm. Oh no. Sally. That shit chunky. Mmm.
I can't. I gotta drink this. Yo.
Yo, if you're seeing this, please
Yo.
sponsor us.
You know, yo. So hopefully, yo will sponsor us soon. Did you get that though? Hopefully, you will sponsor us soon.
You will sponsor us.
That's clever, actually.
Healthy. That chili.
Guys.
You are dripping.
I've lost a lot of weight eating this.
You're gonna lose more.
I'm gonna lose tomorrow morning. I'm gonna lose my pride and my dignity, and a whole bottle of Febreze.